In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record video directly within Google Slides. Adding video recordings to your presentations can really elevate them, giving you the chance to include voice narration or visual commentary that helps connect with your audience. We're going to take things step by step so you can easily follow along and make the most out of this helpful feature. To begin, make sure you have your preferred web browser open. Head over to the Google Slides website. If you haven't bookmarked it for easy access, you can simply search for Google Slides online. Once you've found your way there, it's important to ensure that you're signed into your Google account. This step is crucial because logging in grants you access to all your saved slide decks and the tools you'll need for this tutorial. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage, displaying a list of your existing presentations. Here's where the magic begins. What we're looking for is a tool called Record to Slides. Now keep in mind that this feature isn't built into Google Slides by default. Therefore, we'll need to add it through the Chrome Web Store, which houses a variety of Google Slides compatible extensions. Head over to the Chrome Web Store page and search for the extension titled Record to Slides. When you find it, click on it to access the details page. This page will provide you with more information about how the extension works, user reviews, and even preview images that showcase its functionality. Once you're ready, go ahead and select Add to Chrome. If your browser prompts you to confirm the installation of the extension, make sure to confirm. Once the extension is added, you'll notice its icon appearing in the top right corner of your browser window, right alongside your other extensions. Now that the installation is complete, it's time to dive into the recording process of your presentation. This wonderful extension enables you to record your screen, your webcam, and audio simultaneously, providing a full video presentation experience right from within Google Slides. By setting this up, you empower yourself to create more dynamic and personalized presentations. This allows for in-depth explanations, visual demonstrations, or even comprehensive lectures. Whether you're teaching a lesson, pitching a project, or explaining a process, this method transforms your presentations into more interactive and engaging experiences. And that wraps up our tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I truly hope this guide helps you create more powerful and effective Google Slides presentations. Happy recording!